Okay. Next question. Are you cool with hiring brand new people and training them up as opposed
Mhm.
to okay, great. I don't like
I
hiring existing roof sales
I
reps.
prefer it actually.
Me too.
Get rid of all the bullshit and
Bad
bad habits.
habits. Yep, exactly. Okay, and then as far as recruiting goes, are you comfortable spending a little bit of money each month on recruiting ads? And when I say little, it literally could be as low as $150 a month. It could be as
Mhm.
high as like 450 bucks.
Yeah, I've got no problems with that.
Okay.
Hell, I wasted 3 grand a month on Surefire Local. That was the biggest shit show ever.
Dude, it's wild. I didn't know that people were spending so much money on like headhunters and recruiting services. Like they're literally spending like 10 to 15 grand a month
Yep,
just to have somebody put candidates in front of them. It's
yep.
wild. I was like, holy shit, I'm going to save you so much
Uh,
money.
yeah, it
My
absolutely friggin'
God.
insane.
Yeah, it's wild. And that's not even for a whole system. That's literally just to put candidates in front of people, which is wild. Okay. And then my last question, can you read at least a fifth grade level?
Well, I've got 2 master's degrees, so I'm the most overeducated dumbass you're ever gonna meet in your life.
Love that. Love that. The last guy I was call with, I asked him if he could read. And he goes, "Well, I was in the military, so I feel kind of stupid." And I'm like, "Well, as long
Yeah,
as we can get, like, as long as we can get you like to fifth grade, we're gonna do okay." He's like, "I've been hitting the head a lot," so that's funny.
yeah,
That's kind of a joke I make, but it's honestly, if you have those four things, you will be able to duplicate the stuff I'm going to show you right now. So that's exciting.
right.